Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an exciting project installing radiant heat flooring. It's a game changer for your home's comfort. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need PEX tubing or electric mats, a thermostat, a manifold, pipe staples, a subfloor, insulation, and a heat source like a boiler or an electric cable system. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Ensure your subfloor is clean and level. Install insulation boards to improve efficiency. Then, secure the PEX tubing or electric mats to the subfloor using pipe staples in your planned layout. Step 3. Connect to the manifold. Connect the PEX tubing to a manifold. The manifold regulates the flow of hot water through the tubes. If you're using electric mats, connect them to a thermostat. Step 4. Test the system. Before covering the system, test it for leaks and functionality. Gradually increase the temperature to ensure it warms up evenly. Step 5. Install the flooring. Now it's time to install your flooring material of choice: tiles, hardwood, or laminate. Ensure the flooring is suitable for radiant heating and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation. Step 6. Set the thermostat. Set your thermostat to your desired comfort level. Radiant heat flooring provides efficient and consistent warmth. You can program it to suit your daily schedule. Step 7. Enjoy the comfort. Congratulations! You've successfully installed radiant heat flooring. Enjoy the cozy warmth and energy efficiency it brings to your home. That's a wrap on our radiant heat flooring installation guide.